即马愈来愈侪人会饲动物伴，伫南韩饲动物伴的家庭，平均一年伫动物的医疗是开买2万块的台票。除了例行性健康的检查，有愈来愈侪主人会买医疗的产品，透过仪器量早发现动物伴身体倒位无爽快，量早治疗。
一寡狗伫天幕公园内面算甲真欢喜。即马南韩饲天幕的人是愈来愈多，差不多4个家庭就一户有饲。饲天幕除了因普通时的日常生活爱开钱，若是破病医疗费用也无俗。根据南韩国民银行的资料，当地饲天幕的家庭，2023年平均开$570看兽医，加前一年比增加70%。
More than half of those expenses went to regular checkups and various medical tests. Much like when a human being goes into the hospital, if you have to get an X-ray or a scan, it's going to run the bill up a lot higher. And the same is true for our furry friends.
因为即马大部分的国家拢无完整的天幕医疗保险制度，天幕若是年纪大或者是破病，手术加长期治疗的费用拢无俗，真侪主人就开始注重早期预防。 除了买一寡较健康的食品互因食，也买一寡相关产品加简单的仪器，随时拢会当检查。
For example, there's an app that can detect up to 10 different diseases from a picture of a urine sample from your pet. One pet food company also put out a diagnostic kit that you can purchase to find out any allergies that your pet has to up to 80 different ingredients.
即马真侪兽医诊所拢结合动物行为治疗加天幕营养咨询，提供多元的天幕门诊。这个南韩兽医诊所的数量平均一年拢增加100间，不过 依然是无够，医疗费也是真贵。公司新闻牛眼编辑。